Hi, I'm James. Today, I'm going to crash test the new Samsung Camcorder R10. I'm going to take it bowling down a hill, I'm going to drop it onto the footpath, and I'm going to throw it through plate glass. Let's see how it survives that. Here I've got a bottle of water, a glass bottle, and the Samsung R10. I'm going to drop these both onto the footpath together. As you can see, the glass bottle is smashed. The R10 is fine. So now I have a suspended plate of glass which I'll drop this through. As you can see, the glass is a mess, totally smashed. The camera, straight through, no problems. Okay, so you've seen the tests. How did the camera survive? Beautifully. Still solid, still works, records, plays back. A little bit dirty, but a very good, solid and sturdy camera. I'm impressed.